Good morning. Today I thought we would have a look at this Pontec 750 pump from Pontec. Pontec is owned by Awaza. Let's open the box. Declaration of conformity. What the hell I want that for? Instructions. Sorry. In umpteen different languages. Oh well, can't say it's not universal. What we got? Hose tail. Let's have a look at the bag of bits. If we can open the bag of bits. Extension pipe with valve. Another extension pipe that accepts accessories on the end. One accessory, two accessories, three accessories, four. I have a vague idea I know what they are. And a extension collar. Let's have a look at the pump itself. It's small, but then again I somehow thought it might be. Yeah. Small pump, big cage. $10 of cable, no plug. Let's put it together, put it in a test pool and see what happens. As you can see, here it is sitting in the test pool. It's got no nozzle on it, just the pipes. To be fair, it doesn't have a nozzle on the end, only its pipe. It's also using 8.8 watts. It says 9 on the box. I'll show you. There you go, 8.8 watts. That's not going to cost a lot to run per hour. Let's get back to trying out the nozzles. Here's a close-up of the nozzles before I try them. Well, it's certainly not what they show on the box, but to be honest, I don't think it's too bad. Carry on, try the others. Let's try the next one. Let's try the last one. Even reducing the height of the extension tube doesn't make that much difference to the jet height. But for £20, and it only uses 8 watts to run, he actually gets my vote. As always, thanks for watching. Please buy me a coffee or join me.